Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
In the realm of home decor, comfort is paramount. And in 2024, the fusion of modern design with cozy elements has taken center stage, offering an oasis of tranquility within our homes. Imagine stepping into a space where every element invites relaxation and serenity, where sleek lines meet plush textures, and where functionality seamlessly merges with style. Welcome to the world of modern interior design for ultimate comfort in 2024. One of the key elements defining cozy home decor in 2024 is the embrace of natural materials. From the warmth of wood to the earthiness of stone, incorporating natural elements into your interior design brings a sense of grounding and connection to the outdoors. Picture a living room adorned with a reclaimed wood coffee table, complemented by a stone accent wall, and adorned with touches of greenery, creating a serene sanctuary within your home. In the realm of furniture, the emphasis is on comfort without sacrificing style. Plush, oversized sofas and armchairs beckon you to sink in and unwind, while still maintaining a sleek and modern aesthetic. Soft, luxurious fabrics such as velvet and chenille add a tactile dimension to the space, inviting you to cozy up with a good book or enjoy a leisurely afternoon nap. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating an inviting ambience within your home. In 2024, lighting design focuses on layering different sources of light to achieve both functionality and atmosphere. Think recessed lighting paired with statement pendant lamps and floor lamps strategically placed to provide both task lighting and mood lighting. Dimmer switches allow you to adjust the brightness to suit the occasion, whether it's a cozy movie night or a lively gathering with friends. Color palettes in modern cozy homes lean towards soothing, neutral tones, with pops of color introduced through accessories and artwork. Shades of beige, taupe, and gray create a calming backdrop, while accents of soft pastels or rich jewel tones add depth and personality to the space. Texture also plays a crucial role in adding visual interest to the room, with materials like knit throws, faux fur rugs, and tactile wall hangings adding layers of coziness and warmth. The concept of hygge, the Danish philosophy of coziness and contentment, has influenced home decor trends in 2024. It's all about creating spaces that promote a sense of well-being and intimacy. This means incorporating elements like a crackling fireplace, a cozy reading nook bathed in natural light, or a dedicated meditation corner complete with soft cushions and scented candles. In the kitchen, the focus is on creating a functional yet inviting space for cooking and gathering. Sleek, modern cabinetry in warm wood tones is paired with durable quartz countertops and state-of-the-art appliances. Open shelving allows you to display your favorite dishes and cookware, adding a personal touch to the space. A large, inviting island serves as a central hub for meal prep and casual dining, while bar stools with plush cushions invite guests to linger and chat while you cook. In the bedroom, the emphasis is on creating a serene retreat conducive to rest and relaxation. A plush, upholstered bed frame serves as the focal point, adorned with layers of soft, luxurious bedding in calming hues. Blackout curtains ensure a restful night's sleep, while a cozy reading corner outfitted with a comfortable armchair and a soft throw provides the perfect spot to unwind before bedtime. Finally, no cozy home is complete without personal touches that reflect your unique style and personality. Whether it's a gallery wall showcasing your favorite artwork and photographs, a collection of vintage treasures gathered from your travels, or a cozy corner dedicated to your favorite hobbies, infusing your space with personal touches creates a sense of warmth and belonging. In 2024, modern interior design is all about creating spaces that prioritize comfort, functionality, and style. By embracing natural materials, incorporating plush furnishings, layering lighting, and infusing your space with personal touches, you can create a home that feels like a warm embrace, a sanctuary from the stresses of the outside world. So go ahead, indulge in the cozy comforts of home, and create a space where you can truly unwind and recharge.